Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you my Zara haul. I'm going to be sharing with you how I mix and match my high street fashion with luxury fashion. I think it's really important to be shopping mindfully. I think there are ways and tips and tricks to be looking at the items that you're shopping for on Zara. It is a very affordable price point, and I think if you are shopping smart, you can really extend the lifespan of your clothing item. This haul will be divided into 3 parts. The first part would be the items that I'm definitely keeping. The second part are the items that I am a little bit iffy about, which can be really helpful in the comment section if you could tell me which item I should keep and return. And the third would be the items that I'm returning. There are also 3 things which I will be keeping into consideration when I am going through this haul. The first would be the composition of materials. So I'm really looking for cotton blends, linen blends, and if there is polyester in the items, be really careful in which to keep it or return it, just because polyester is not biodegradable, so it is not environmentally friendly. And it's also a material that does not last over time. So when shopping on Zara, I'm always looking for items that are 100% cotton. Sometimes you are lucky, and sometimes I'm just looking for a blend of materials. The second thing that I'm looking for when shopping on Zara would be the style of items. Now, I'm looking for items that are maybe designer inspired, things that are trendy that I do not want to be investing my money in, and things that, I just want to play around with, have fun with, and really enjoy these items and really love these items. Think of multiple ways of styling it up. And lastly, I am looking at whether the items would fit my body shape, my lifestyle, and my closet. So for the first item in this haul, I am wearing it right now. It is these blue satin pants, and I'm not sure if you can see it in the viewfinder because it's very small, so I'm gonna walk back and hopefully you can see it. I really love these pants because of the color. Now this light blue satin pants, this is something that I am really afraid of investing in luxury brands, because you don't know when this color will go out of style. So when I saw this, I thought it was a really fun color to play around with in my closet, and I think that it cinches in my waist really well. It fits my waist to the T. I don't even have to get it tailored. And also the length is perfect on me, which I really love. I can wear cute kitten heels and jazz it up. But over here, I'm wearing a Brock collection top. And this top has been in my closet for a while now. I just haven't found the perfect pants to pair it with. So I really love the combinations of the baby pinks, the ivory yellow tones of the top, and how it pairs beautifully with the pants. So I also paired these pants with another top. I really love the pleating of this top. I think that this white top is very versatile. It's a very key piece, a very out there piece. And I think that when paired with these blue pants, it makes the top look even more interesting. The next item that I'm really excited to share with you guys is this printed cardigan. This printed cardigan is so fun. I really love the 90s inspired florals. It really reminds me of the Powerpuff Girls, and it's just such a fun thing to have in your closet. I really love the material. It feels really nice on the skin. And my favorite part about this is probably the buttons. I just love these circular buttons here. I'll bring you closer so you can check it out. What I really love about this is that you can actually wear it as a top as well. So over here, I am pairing it with black leather pants from a Goldie and a Chanel cute little wallet on chain on the side, and I think it fits really beautifully with this look. All right, so the next thing in my haul is another knit sweater. Now this is another knit vest. So I am obsessed with all of the knits this season, and this is just so fun, so cute to have. And I really like the side details here of the little crochet little balls on the side of the hem. So I think it's a really nice touch and a really great design detail. And for $39.90, I would definitely get my cost per wear down because it is just such a cute casual top. All right, so the next item on this haul is this black and white checkered vest. And this really caught my eye because it does seem very luxe in terms of the design. The white and black is very bold. I have been seeing this as a trend lately. It gives me a very relaxed feel. I love the checkered print, as I mentioned before. The white and black graphic print is a no-brainer. It's just super easy to style up. And I can pair it with jeans, with white pants. I just love it so much. So the next item, or the items that I have, is this matching set. Now, I've been eyeing the set from Alessandra Rich. I'm still too afraid to pull the trigger, but I do think that this is very similar in style to the Alessandra Rich matching set. I really love this houndstooth print. And similar to the red cardigan from before, it has these circular yellow buttons, and I just think they're so cute. The print on this is just beautiful. Over here. And this yellow color is just so fun to have. I usually shy away from colors like this, but I'm really excited to try it out this season. So the next item I have is from the men's section, and this is 100% cotton. I really love the feel of the material on the skin, and it just is such a unique color to have. It's not exactly a trend piece, but I do think that the stripes give it a very classic feel. And what I love about this is that my husband can also wear it, so we can also maximize the cost per wear like that. But I really love this top. I think the stripes and the color combination is just very beautiful. All right, so we are going into the second part of the haul where these items are a maybe. I'm still unsure if I should keep this or return it. What I love about this is this baby blue color mixed with the navy blue, and these 90s florals are just so cute. Really love the graphic designs of these tops, and this comes with a matching crop top, which I really like. I'm just unsure about this because when worn as a cardigan, it does not look as cute. But if your cardigan is worn over the shoulders like a scarf, I think it is a cute look to pull off. All right, so the next piece I have is the piece that I got, or the piece that started this whole haul. I am a little bit disappointed with this though, because everything looks beautiful. I do think that it hangs on my body really well. It's a very comfortable material as well. The only thing that I am not a fan of is the seam that is running in the middle of the item over here. I just think that the seam is very distracting. I still really love it, and if this middle seam does not bother you, then go ahead and get it. So these gray khaki pants is in the maybe section because it does not fit me very well. So I do think that I do have a lot of dresses, and I'm trying to branch out into tops and pants a little bit more just to add variation to my closet and to maybe make my closet a little bit more casual. I do have a lot of dressy looks, a lot of dressy dresses, so it's nice to switch it up a little bit. Now these pants, I was on a hunt for office wear pants that does not look like office wear. It looks more casual, more menswear inspired, which is why I decided to get these pants. But it's just really sad because I am a XS, and even this in the smallest size does not fit my waist. It's too large on me, and I mean, I could potentially keep it and get it tailored to my size, but it is in the maybe pile for now, depending on how lazy I get with sending it to the tailors. All right, so we're going into the third part of the haul, which is the return pile. Now this piece, I thought it was a very cute, dressy date night top that I could potentially wear with leather pants, maybe a black pair of pants. It has this off the shoulder detailing, which I really love. I love off the shoulder anything. And these pearl detailing on the sleeves is really beautiful. Now, the reason why I would return it is that if you look closely, you can see that there is like a metallic shine to it, which I'm not a fan of. It does look like maybe a Chanel inspired piece, which is why I was drawn to it. I really love the pink, the light blues, and the dark blues all knitted together. But the thing with this top is that it's so itchy. So even though it is a pretty cute top, I don't think it's worth suffering for. So the next top is this, or the next cardigan is this white and black, or ivory and black striped cardigan. I was really drawn to stripes, black and white, this season, and I thought I really did have high hopes for this. I thought that it looked really cute on the model on the site, and I really liked this like oversized, relaxed look, you know, something that you can wear like a cute black dress underneath, and you know, you can tone it down with an oversized cardigan like this. This material is just so uncomfortable to be worn. It's so itchy on the skin. I just could not wear it. So look at all this fraying here too. Like if you can see it in the close-up, all of this shedding here would just stick onto your clothing items. So if you were to wear like a black cotton top and you wear this cardigan over, it just looks like you have dog hair all over you. So this is definitely going back. So this matching top and matching skirt, I really had high hopes for. So this top has like a ruffle detail. Oh, it's inside out, hold on. So this top has ruffle details on it. And I thought that the ruffle details were, you know, kind of Johanna Ortiz inspired with the tropical prints. It even has a ruching detail here to bring you in a lot more. So this top is an XS and it is way too tight for me. And for me, I have no boobs, so I don't even know how women with boobs would be able to put this on. So if you're definitely like a chesty girl, size up on and the skirt also, I really had high hopes for. So the skirt has this beautiful ruffled detailing on the bottom. Let's see if I could just put this here. So it looks like this. Really love the tiered ruffle details on the bottom. But I think when paired together, it just looks cheap. Just does not look good. First of all, the waist is too big on me. The top is an XS, the skirt is also an XS, but it just does not fit. So skirt is oversized, the top is way too small for me. But I would try to style it up. I think that this potentially could look cute in another top. I would not recommend buying it as a set, but maybe the skirt has potential if you're willing to send it to the tailors, or if I'm willing to send it to the tailors because it's way too big on me. But I would pair it with my linen Yakima's Ruffle brasier top. I think that would be a really cute look to wear to the beach or to a summer getaway. But yeah, I'm just not very sure about this. Alrighty, so this piece I had such high hopes for. I love the color on this coat. This baby blue coat is just a stunning color, and I do think that baby blue would be the new in color this year. But the reason why I'm returning it is because the stitching of the coat is not of good quality. So first of all, you can see it like hung loosely on the hanger, and you can already see the black lining on the vest over here. The attachment of the fur to the coat is not very well sewn. The lining is not exactly lined up to the outer shell of the jacket, which is a very cheap, or a telltale sign of a cheap item. So I'm not very happy with the lining, the stitching of this item, and the fur detailing as well. It is made out of polyester. So yeah, that's why I think, you know, this piece I really had high hopes for, but it's definitely going back. Alrighty, so we've come to the end of the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Do let me know in the comments which look is your favorite. I really hope this also gives you some styling ideas to maybe use the items that you already have in your closet, mix and match it, have fun. I really hope that this haul gives you some styling ideas of how to make Zara items look more luxe, more high-end, and I hope that these tips and tricks can help you with your next shopping spree. So with that, we've come to the end of the haul. I really hope that you guys give this a thumbs up. Do subscribe below and let me know what kind of videos you would love to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.